वेलकम टू गुड न्यूज पर्सपेक्टिव। ओवर द इयर्स हिंदी सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री में हमने कई सारे एराज विटनेस किए, लाइक मॉडर्न, क्लासिक, गोल्डन, बिगनिंग, एंड इन दीज एराज वी हैव सीन many female actresses who ruled in those timelines. Just like today, we will be discussing Alia Bhatt's career and whether she is ruling this era of Hindi cinema, being an all-time great or not. Before making any judgment, हम past में जाके उन periods के actresses का recap लेंगे जो top पे रहीं commercially, artistically, solo and accolades wise.
Yeah, it's rewind time.
Meena Kumari was an actress who sold movies on her star power and not dependent on any hero, as she had very few films with the ruling trio of those days. Reigning with movies like Parinita, Baiju Barwa, Sahib Bibi Gulam in the golden era, she is regarded as the greatest and finest actress ever. Unka career 26 years long and she won 4 Filmfare Best Actress awards, being the inaugural winner. She not only acted but even sang in her movies. Till 1950 she was a rising star and after that went on to become the tragedy queen. There's no doubt that Vijayanti Mala is the first female superstar with her great acting and dancing skills. जिन्होंने अपने career 1950 से start किया. She was one of the highest paid actresses who got enough stardom to fill the theaters. उन्होंने 3 Filmfare Best Actress का award जीता and memorable movies like देवदास, संगम, मधुमती and नया दौर दिया अपने 21-year long career में. A beautiful dream girl, Hema was the most bankable and controversial star of the classic cinema. The popular and successful diva gave series of hits during the mid-70s और वो biggest heroine बन गई with big grossers like Jugnu, Sholay, Naseeb and Pratigya. A star with a record number of blockbuster and hits, also got nominated 11 times in Filmfare. Shri Devi का career spanned around 50 years across genres and languages. No doubt she carried the tag of female superstar ahead. Won 2 Filmfare and she single-handedly outshone the heroes of her films in 80s and 90s. She was the big box office draw. उन्होंने अपना हिंदी करियर 1979 में शुरू किया था और over the years उन्होंने हमें सुपर हिट्स वेंचर्स लाइक सदमा, चांदनी, चालबाज दी, एवरग्रीन ट्रेंडसेटर. Once upon a time, Madhuri was the highest paid celebrity. वो 90s में number 1 female star थी, way ahead than others. In this male-dominated industry, she was running parallel with all of them. चाहे वो box office pull हो या film को hype दिलवाना हो. She won over 4 Filmfare awards. Also gave movies like हम आपके हैं कौन, साजन, बेटा, and she even did a film on gender inequality, Mrityu Dand. And with Tezab in 1988, she got her big breakthrough in the industry. Similarly, in this ongoing era, Alia Bhatt is that one actress जिन्होंने commercial और parallel cinema को balance किया और highest grosser female centric films दिए with her diverse filmography over the years. ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा that from Highway to Gangubai, Alia has reached the point where she has become top level successful with her versatile acting ranges, surpassing contemporaries for now. From debuting at the age of 4 in Akshay Kumar's 1999 Sangharsh as a child artist to giving super hit Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani, Alia is now the highest paid actress in the film industry. She has won 5 Filmfare Best Actress award, which is joint highest with Kajol and Nutan, and 1 Best Actress Critics. चाहे वो एक doped abuse victim हो या undercover spy या फिर titular role like Gangubai, Alia aced all of them. She has many hits in her kitty and only a couple of misses. She is yet to see a decline period in her ongoing 12 years career in the industry. We need to understand that Alia ने debut 2012 में किया था with Student of the Year, which is eventually in between Deepika and Anushka debuted and Janhvi and Sara debuted. The same fate Kareena and Katrina enjoyed when they debuted after Kajol, Rani, Aishwarya and before Anushka and Deepika. हमें समझना होगा by being default in betweeners, the span of actors becomes much longer as the old are already fading away and the new ones are yet to be established in the industry. And that's how Alia got an advantage over others. रोम-कॉम इज वन जॉनर जहाँ पे आलिया का लाइट हार्टेड और बीइंग द गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर का रोल उन्होंने काफी बखूबी से निभाया था एंड शी इज वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन इट, गिविंग हर फर्स्ट 100 crore in this genre by doing critically acclaimed films 2 states in 2014. Then in Dulhania series, both were super hit at box office, collecting 72 and 114 crore respectively in 2014 and 17. Female solo lead. In 2018, by playing an undercover spy in Razi, she gained so much praise for her performance in this patriotic film and stunned everyone जब आलिया ने first non-franchise solo female lead to earn 100 crore in India दिया, and from now she started to market movies on her presence. 2022 was the year when Alia overtook everyone. Gangubai was the real test which she passed with flying colors. Also, she won a national award for it. नॉट ओनली दैट, इस फिल्म ने कोविड पीरियड में आके 126 करोड़ नेट का कलेक्शन किया था। मूवी ने सारे क्रिटिसिज्म जो आलिया के अराउंड था सबको चुप करा दिया एंड शी डिलीवर्ड वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम परफॉर्मेंस in this biopic. Coming to drama, let's talk about social topics in drama films. Even here, Alia showed her commendable and superb acting skills. Right from her second film Highway in 2014, she played the girl suffering from Stockholm Syndrome, and in 2016 she did the role of a drug abuse victim in Udta Punjab and a girl suffering with mental issues in Dear Zindagi. All three of them were a success. Also in 2023, she essayed on the role of a domestic violence victim with the Netflix release Darlings. For all these ventures, she garnered huge admiration from the industry and audience, and it was evident she could balance both sides of cinema. और 2019 की गली बॉय में her outstanding role as Safina was one of the best performances of the year, for which she won the Filmfare Award. ये सारे ही रोल्स काफी ज्यादा impactful रहे. Action, this is one genre जहाँ पे आलिया को प्रूव करना है whether she can deliver or not. Though Brahmastra did not have much to prove for her. Till now she does not have any out and out action films, unlike Katrina and Deepika, but Alia के upcoming ventures like Jigra and YRF Spy Universe movie, जो कि दोनों ही solo led films भी है. If Alia will be able to prove herself in both acting and action wise, there won't be a doubt that she is the greatest of this generation. So till now we discussed Alia's 12-year-long journey here. Surely she is number one right now, and with her upcoming films, the scenarios and ranking will be much clear to all of us. Till then, we will meet next time, and do tell us your opinion on this video. Also give us suggestions for the next video in the comment section.